friends, I hope all of you are fine. Now we will learn about procedure text. Let's see this video.
Good morning, everybody. Do you have breakfast before you go to school? What do you eat or drink for your breakfast?
Yes, Mom. I always have breakfast before go to school. This morning I eat fried rice with egg and a cup of milk to drink.
Do you know how to make fried rice, Samir?
No, I don't. Because my mom always make it for me.
Now, let's learn about the procedure of how to make something. Yeah, we will learn about procedure text. Let's see what is procedure text. Procedure text is a text that gives you instruction of how to do or to make something. The purpose or social function is to explain to the readers or listeners about how to do, operate or to make something. Sequence of actions or steps. There are two types of procedure text. They are recipe and manual. These are example of recipe. How to make fried rice, how to make a cup of hot coffee, etc. And these are the example of manual. How to use a camera, the steps of making a kite, etc. Now I would like to tell you the generic structures of procedure text. First, goal. Second, ingredients, equipments, or tools. Third, steps or chronological orders. Language features of procedure text. 1. Using simple present tense. 2. Using conjunctions, for example, first, then, after that, finally, etc. 3. Using command or imperative sentence. 4. Using action verbs, for example, cut, stir, pour, put, etc. The example of procedure text. 1. How to make fried rice. 2. How to make avocado juice. 3. How to use a camera, etc. The next is a dialogue. How to make a cup of hot coffee. Mrs. Shirley, could you tell me how to make a cup of hot coffee? Of course. First boil some water, then pour 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of coffee powder. After that add the hot water in it. Stir it well. Finally the hot coffee is ready to serve. Oh, I see. I will try to make it for my mom. Thank you for your information. You are welcome. Let me go shopping to the market. See you later.
Let's see more the generic structure of procedure text. Read the example of procedure text recipe and manual. Now answer the questions.